My name's Amber, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you this beautiful wig by Jon Renau, and this wig is Heidi. This is part of their SmartLace collection, and the color that I'm sharing with you today is called Shaded Praline, and that code is 12FS8. This is their most popular color, and I'm pretty surprised that this is the first time I have ever tried this color before. I kid you not. I have tried Malibu Blonde, which is 12FS12. It's really close to 12FS8. The only difference between the two is the root. 12FS12 is part of Jon Renau's California Blonde collection, and Shaded Praline has been around for a little bit longer, yet I have not tried her until now. And same with Heidi. This is the first time I've tried Heidi, and I'm thrilled because it is a beautiful wig. So the combination of this beautiful blonde and this awesome wavy mid-length style, I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Okay, so let's first talk about Shaded Praline 12FS8, and then we'll move on to the wig as usual. 12FS8 is, like I said, a rooted shade. You actually have a medium brown root going on here, and that's your number 8. And what you have going on with this beautiful dimensional blonde right here is just a blend of gorgeous colors. You do have a low light. What you have going on is a light golden brown, a light natural gold blonde, and a pale natural gold blonde blend, and then shaded with that dark root. I love the mixture of colors in this blend. It's absolutely beautiful in human hair as well. Do remember that in human hair it is warmer, but both are gorgeous. And the reason why I can say this is because I have tried, like I said, the 12FS12, and that blend is the same aside from the root. And I think the root in the 12FS8, the number 8 root, does look great. The difference between that root is the 12FS12 has a light brown root, and the 12FS8 is a medium brown. So if you prefer a lighter brown root, the 12FS12 might be a color that you prefer. If you have bio hair that's much darker but you're wanting to try a blonde, then the 12FS8 might be something that will blend really well with your bio hair. Now my bio hair is it's actually quite light. I haven't colored it in a long time, so if I wanted to blend it with this 12FS8, I probably would have to add some darker brown hair fibers to blend that more seamlessly, but that's not a problem. Hair fibers help blend those edges really well if you want to utilize any edges of your bio hair. And I personally feel if you do have some bio hair to use to your advantage, it does help create a more seamless look if your hair blows in the wind, and hair fibers or root touch-up can really just blend that into that darker root if it doesn't match perfectly. Now that has nothing to do with the Heidi wig, so let's move on to Heidi. Heidi is one of Jon Renau's best sellers, so this is a fantastic pair, the 12FS8 and the Heidi. Two wonderful best sellers because they are just awesome. Awesome color, awesome wig, and I love it. I'm so glad that I finally have my hands on both. This Heidi wig is almost like a boho chic, loose, barely there wave. I really like just the relaxed, barely there, almost falling out wave, if that makes sense. You know, after a few days, your wave starts dropping, and I think that that's a really pretty look if that's the look you're going for. It's very casual looking. It can be glammed up though. You can definitely glam it up. You can use these curls, these waves, these loose waves to your advantage with up styling, updos, and things like that. So because it does have a casual look in a sense, depending on what you wear, it doesn't necessarily mean that you can't dress it up. These definitely are these free flowing, beachy, gorgeous waves. You have what looks to be this little side swept bang. That's really fun. I like that right there. A shorter bang. These waves fall below the shoulder. They are right actually below my collarbone. Now, you know, everybody's face length and neck length is different, so I will add those dimensions down below. I haven't done that before, and I know sometimes having those measurements can be quite helpful when somebody is looking at a wig on another person, because everybody has, you know, a different face shape. Their forehead, their everything is so different. So what it looks like on me could be very different on somebody with a very different face. This is a synthetic wig. It is ready to wear. It is gorgeous with these soft, loose waves, and I can't rant and rave enough about this style. Let's actually do a turnaround. If I could have Heidi in multiple colors, I would. I really like her. So pretty. Okay, let's take this off and show you guys the inside of the cap. Of course, Heidi comes with a ready-to-wear SmartLace front. This is individually hand-tied 1 by 1, and look at that, it's quite deep. This mimics a natural hairline, and it allows you to style the hair off the face, which I absolutely love. Having this type of lace front, it conforms to the head. No adhesive is necessary, and no customization is necessary. Hence the SmartLace, and hence the ready to wear. You have a monofilament top, which allows multi-directional parting while providing the appearance of natural hair growth where that hair is parted. It's fantastic for creative styling and just basically wearing this hair as if it's your own. Heidi has an open cap construction, which makes it very breathable, great ventilation, maximum scalp cooling. It keeps the wig lighter, and it feels great. You have your velvet ear tabs, and they have bendable wire, allowing for smooth, customized fit. And then you also have your velvet nape with your adjustable straps. That velvet nape is very comfortable against the skin. These straps allow you to adjust this cap so it fits your head more true to size. The total product weight for this Heidi wig is 4.5 ounces. All right, so let's put her back on. The front of Heidi is 7 inches. The crown is 15 inches. The sides are 10.5 inches. And your nape on Heidi is 9 inches. I really, really, really am impressed with Heidi. I do love Jon Renau's hand-tied caps. I think they're very, very comfortable. They're like a warm hug. But honestly, these average size open wefted caps with the SmartLace and monofilament top, they are stretchy, they feel fantastic. They are breathable because of those open wefts, and it feels very, very comfortable and great. It feels great. I am an average size cap. This is an average size wig, and it fits my head really, really well. What do you guys think about Heidi by Jon Renau in shaded Praline 12 FS8? I think that she is a new favorite of mine. I love her. I really love her. I think this is a perfect wig for summer. I do love long hair because I just feel feminine in it. I gravitate towards the long hair because I never had gorgeous, long, thick, beautiful hair of my own. But, you know, it's hot. It gets in the way. Sometimes it's not very logical, especially for my crazy mom life. I think that bobs and even pixies seem a little bit more, yeah, logical, but I feel good in a little bit of length, and this length, especially with this pretty wave, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's not too long. It's not too long. It doesn't get in the way. You can still pull it up. You can still do some fun styling with it. Put it in a pony. Put it in some pigs. Twist it up if you'd like. It's not too dense, so, you know, a cute clip in there would be really great. Look how cute that would be for a night out. Wow, fancy, fancy, fancy. Adorable with that bang that it has. All right, I need another Heidi. I need another Heidi, guys. I love Heidi. I already love Heidi. I can see why this wig is a bestseller. Let me know what you think. You know what to do. Comment below. If I don't respond to your comments ASAP, come and follow me over on Instagram. I'm there daily. I'm there often. I'm also on Facebook. I'm most of the time on Instagram though. So either way, Facebook, Instagram, you know, here on YouTube often as well. You can email me as well. And you guys, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for following. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for your support. I just appreciate everyone who has decided to follow along my hair loss journey and put their trust and faith in me and follow along with me through this ride. So I'll talk to you later. Until next time, see you.